In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process on creating a private story on Snapchat. Similar to Instagram, Snapchat has also added in this new feature where you can add in a private story. And you can only include those people who you want to show the story to. So open up your Snapchat and head over to your Bitmoji. Once you're in this section, under My Story, you'll see an option of New Private Story. Just tap on the New Private Story option and pick the people that you want to show the story to. And then tap on Create Story. You can also name in the story whatever you want and tap on Save. Now a private story section has been created for you. All you need to do is tap on this option and take a snap or upload it from your camera roll or your memories. Take a snap or upload a snap and then tap on Send. And your private story will be uploaded and those people would be able to view to whom you added to your private list. You can add or remove those members by tapping on the three dots, and you can tap on Edit Viewers and remove or add in new people. So that's the way to create a private story on Snapchat. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a like. If you have any questions related to the video, make sure you comment down below. That's going to be all for today's video. Thanks for watching.